Okay, welcome everybody to today's class. We're looking at cooking, restaurants, food, and we'll also look at present simple and present continuous. So let's start with the two tenses and then we'll do some questions together and we'll talk a little bit about food. But present simple is for things that happen regularly. Things that happen again and again and again. Things that happen every day, every week, every month, every year. So if you say that in a sentence, you need present simple. Things that never happen, or that hardly ever happen, or that rarely happen, sometimes happen, often happen, usually happen, always happen. All of these words are signals that we must use present simple. Okay, also on Mondays, that's again and again and again, or every Monday, you know, that would be the same as well, every Monday, and that wouldn't have the S, every Monday, or on Mondays, okay? But every Monday, on Mondays, 3 times a week is present simple, 4 times a year, anything that happens again and again and again. And I think we usually use present simple. Maybe 80-90% of your verbs when you speak in English, they will be in present simple or past simple or future simple. Okay, and that's the good news. Most of the time you need this one. And we will see why now, because present continuous is for what is happening now. So if you say now, you usually need present continuous. You might need a different tense, present perfect, but we'll do that in a future class. But very often now means continuous. For example, now I am teaching English. I am teaching you about these tenses. I am teaching you, or I will teach you in a second about cooking in restaurants, but I am teaching you about these two tenses. So this is happening now. I am talking, I am standing, I am wearing a white t-shirt, yeah? I am using a blue pen, yeah? I am using a blue pen at the moment. Okay, so when you say now or at the moment, usually that means you need present continuous, okay? Because it's happening now. And by the way, if you describe a picture, you need to say in this picture. And I want you to describe a picture in the future. So when you describe a picture, you need to say in this picture, you know, I can see a man or I see a man. Now notice you don't say I am seeing, you say I see. And that's because see is one of our special verbs that we never use in continuous.